welcome back to the second episode of my series Christmas with Mia. Today we will be doing a decoration intended for our vanity top or tabletop or cabinet top, whatever you want to call it. So these are, everything is DIY, and if you want to know more videos or if you want to watch more videos here in this channel regarding my Christmas series, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the like button because it will just mean a lot to me. And if you have more suggestions for my series, you can comment down below and I would love to do those requests that you want. You know me naman, gusto ko yung mga request nyo, ganun. So without any further ado, let's get on to the video. What I did is I added some decorations just like the garland and some Christmas tree ornaments inside the glass jar or the glass container. You can do with anything that you want. You can insert candies, chocolates, or any decorations that you want inside this container. And also with the smaller one, I put a lot of ornaments.
Just hear those sleigh bells jingling, ring ting tingling too. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside the snow is falling and friends are calling you.
Just draw a snowflakes on a piece of paper and just cover it with the plastic and then just trace it with a glue gun just like so. And I just added a pop of color with the use of an old nail polish just to add a color because my wall is white.
So tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares.
So that is the DIY for our tabletop or cabinet top or vanity top, whatever you want to call it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed doing this project. And if you have more suggestions, don't forget to leave your comments down below, and you can follow me in my Instagram and in my Facebook page. You can send me videos, pictures, or any messages over my social media accounts, and I would love to read them for your requests. And don't forget to share this video, and I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye!